Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, wireless WAN module if installed, display panel assembly, and display cover. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the webcam cable for later replacement. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display panel assembly. Peel back the tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board. Place the webcam board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the webcam board from the static dissipative bag. Connect the webcam cable into its connector and replace the tape that secures it to the webcam board. Place the webcam board onto its alignment pins and gently apply pressure to the webcam board to adhere it to the display panel assembly.